Good morning, readers. This is Barbara, Visit Me Ma, and I've just finished this book. It's from 2015. It's the Thorndike Press large print Christian novel. And the series or trilogy is the Zimmerman Restoration Trilogy, Book 2. The name of the book is When Grace Sings by Kim Vogel Sawyer. Alexa Zimmerman wonders if the Old Order Mennonite community in Arborville, Kansas, will ever fully accept her. But she was hopeful that her culinary and hospitality skills will win the skeptics over. The bed and breakfast she's operating needs to succeed, so Alexa agrees to allow Briley For, a reporter from Chicago, to stay as a long-term boarder, not knowing his real motives for being among the plain people. When Alexa agrees to host her cousin, Anna Grace Braun, the presence of an extended family brings out Alexa's insecurities and sets Briley on the trail to uncovering a web of hidden truths. Better read it. It's good. Thank you for joining me. We'll read another book tomorrow.